I got 2 racks with 2 sets of liquid line dryers, and I'm gonna walk through the process of changing the dryer and all the steps taken to pump down the rack and restart it up afterwards. So when I turn this right here, it's gonna pump down everything downstream. It's gonna pump down all of the cases and all the evaporators on rack A, because this is rack A. And it's gonna pump this down, relieve the liquid and relieve the pressure out of here. Then I can close that one and then drain, recover what's left in this tiny little portion and change the dryer for them. So here goes. Make sure you let your managers know you're going to do this too. Got to keep an eye on your receiver level. Make sure you don't overfill the receiver, because that's possible if you don't know what you're doing, or if people behind you put too much refrigerant in it. Receiver level should have enough refrigerant in it to not flash vapor when all of the circuits are wide open, but to be able to pump down completely and not overflow. I would advise you not to walk away from it. I've gone from 30% receiver to 80% receiver. Just a few more minutes, and I'm going to close this one down. We're starting to boil off now, refrigerant. Alright, so we're at 100 now. I think it'd be probably pretty safe to maybe shut her down. Yeah, I'm gonna shut the son of a bitch down. Good. Close this now. All right. Then you're ready to take off all your screws and swap the dryer things out. Here's what we got inside of this rack. See that? All this crap, all this contamination. Like, hot damn, it's pretty bad. And then after you get it clean, looks a little shiny, kind of like this, you can start putting it back together. Here's the inside of the shell, and here's how it looks after I cleaned it. And that about finished my can of degreaser. And then when you tighten it, you do like a tire, across, then across, to get them even. Also, it's at this time when you decide how your orientation for your service valve is going to be, so make sure you point it up. The thing you're supposed to do is evacuate it, and after you evacuate it, you can open your valves. So I've already opened this one. Yep, lots of energy. Lots of potential energy back there. We're turning it into some kinetic energy now. We'll turn on some compressors. We're back in effect. We do a leak check on that and we're good. And of course, make sure that everything comes back online. So I ended up having a few pressure switches that tripped because of high discharge pressure. And then one of the compressors, a compressor I replaced about a month ago over there to my right, actually, I had to take the cover off of the compressor terminal box and reset the Bitzer module. I had to kill power to it and reset it after I reset the tripped switch. So don't just walk away from it. Stay and make sure everything comes back online. So that's how I do a liquid line dryer on a rack. I got another one due over there on that one. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see what other videos I can make for y'all. It might be helpful. Like and subscribe to the channel. Later.